welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on the look that I have on my face right now, and I'm excited because I'm featuring a brand called Midas Cosmetics, and their link will be down below. But the glitter that I have on my eyes and the eyelashes that I have on my eyes are from this brand. The eyelashes are called Vudu and the glitter is called Hot Chocolate, which is why I decided to call this look the Hot Chocolate Glitter Cut Crease. Try saying that 5 times fast. I cannot. But without further ado, we're just gonna get into it. So to expedite the process, I already did one eye off of camera and this is how it is looking, but we're just gonna get into it. I'm digging into the Sipping Pretty palette because I realized that I never use it, but any palette with browns will work for this look. The first shade that I'm digging into is called Close the Tab, and I'm digging in with my tapered blending brush by Luxie, and then I'm just putting that all over my crease and blending it up. Okay, and after we have closed the tab all over our crease, we're gonna be digging in to Mimosa, which is the darker brown right here, with my flat shader brush. But what I'm gonna do with the flat shader brush is dip it in like this, so only the point has product on it, and this is because we're gonna be outlining our crease for our glitter. And so what we want to do is wing it out. So we're gonna, start right here. And then in order to have like the colors show up on top of here, I'm gonna be going above my crease. And we're just gonna outline above our crease. Then we're gonna deepen that color as much as we can, doing the same technique over and over again. Okay, and then when we're done with that, we're gonna take a pencil brush and blend that harsh line using the same color, Mimosa, from the Sipping Pretty palette. And then with no added product, we're gonna be taking the same exact pencil brush and blending the line up into Close the Tab, so they blend seamlessly into each other. What I did next was take the same flat shader brush from the Ojito set and basically cut my crease, kind of, sort of, but not really. We're just gonna place P. Louise eye base all over where our glitter is gonna go, and this is just gonna sharpen underneath the line that we just created. Okay, and since we are using a glitter that is brownish, I'm gonna be going into where we just laid down our P. Louise eye base with the Steve Laurent loose powder in rose gold, and this is how that powder looks. And I'm just placing that all over where we just laid the P. Louise eye base with this brush that also comes in the Ojito set from Alamar Cosmetics. This is a flat definer brush, and we're just placing that all over. Okay, and I know it looks like we're doing a lot of layers, but we're gonna be going into our area again with the NYX glitter glue. The step that I just did with the rose gold is completely optional, but I find that glitters look better with a base under them. So we're just gonna go into our NYX glitter glue and again go over the same area with the flat shader brush. And then after we have our glitter glue all over our area, we're gonna be dipping into the Midas Cosmetics glitter in Hot Chocolate. And this is how that looks. It's a mix of fine glitter and chunky glitter. And we're just gonna be digging with the same brush because we already have the glitter glue on this brush, so it'll be easier to pick up So I'm just picking it up like I would any other eyeshadow and tapping it into our area. If any of the glitters do go above your brown line, you can just use tweezers to remove them. And I use these to remove some that went over on this side, but so far none of them have gone over on this side.
Knock on wood, because you know, I have a knack for jinxing myself.
And then we are going to take our pencil liner, go back into Mimosa slightly, and blending out our line again. And then we're gonna highlight our brow bone with this shade right here, Martini Mama. And we're using our Real Techniques shading brush. So now the magic of taking off tape. Right now I'm just gonna, you know, go off camera and do my eyeliner and put on my lashes. The lashes that I currently have on are also by Midas Cosmetics, and they are in the style Vudu. And I'll be right back. So we are back with the lashes and the eyeliner, and this is how it looks. I'm totally obsessed with the eyeshadow look. And yeah, now I'm just gonna go into how I actually do my base, because a lot of people ask me how I do my base currently, and it has changed. So that's what we're about to go into. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber Primer Water. Then we're gonna grab the J.one Jelly Pack Primer and slather this baby all over my face. Also, I'm gonna timestamp the finished look, because I know some people might not be interested in watching me do my face, so that'll be timestamped in my description box. And then my holy grail high-end foundation is, of course, the Hourglass Vanish Stick in warm beige. And this baby, I feel so bad using this on camera, but since this is something that was asked of me, I'm doing it. I love this foundation, guys. It's a pretty penny, but it looks so good. Now we're gonna bounce all of that in with a beauty blender. And then for concealer, the one that I have been loving for the past 2 weeks has been the Physicians Formula Instaready in Light. The only thing that I don't like is that it's like MAC Pro Longwear packaging, but I get past it because it's such a good product, and I just slather it on with my finger, you know, being unruly. And then the powder that I've been obsessing over for setting my under eye has been the Pretty Vulgar, the powder room that came in our Buxy Luxe in December. And I can't stay away from this, guys. I can't. I love it so much. I haven't even touched my Patrick's powder after the first time I used it, because right after I got that one, I got this one in the box and I became obsessed. I know I just did it in front of your face, but I also set everywhere that I put concealer with this powder. And then to set the rest of my face, I go into my LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Powder in medium beige. And my Real Techniques setting brush, powder brush. Now I'm just going to go back into my Sipping Pretty palette with a pencil brush and doing my lower lash line. I'm just going to be digging back into Mimosa and blending that all over our bottom lash line. I'm going to go pretty dark with this and then meet it with my wing. And now I'm just going to contour using my Shade and Light palette and my Real Techniques contour brush. contour my nose, I'm gonna go in with my angled shadow brush from True Beauty into the lightest shade in this contour kit and dabbing the brown. For blush, I'm gonna be going into the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Mellow Wine with my Real Techniques blush brush. And then for highlighter, we're gonna be going into the Pixi Duo highlighter in Subtle Sunrise. This is becoming a favorite of mine and I can't stay away from it. I just swirl around in both of the colors. And then with my Real Techniques shading brush, I'm going into the lighter gold and placing that in the inner corner of my eyes. For my lip color, I'm going to be digging into the L'Oreal Signature Liquid Lip in I Rule. This came in my box. And then I'm going to be setting my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter, tried and true. I don't think I'm ever replacing it, to be honest. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys liked watching this as much as I liked creating it for y'all. I'm so happy to have been able to introduce you guys to Midas Cosmetics on my channel, because I know that this brand is going to be important for me in my makeup journey, because it is the first company to take a chance on me, and as a small YouTuber I feel amazing and so appreciative to them. So thank you, Midas Cosmetics, and if you guys want 10% off of your order, I do have a code with them. It is Nessasy10, and if you guys want to use it, go ahead and use it. If you don't, then it's also fine. But have a great day, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye bye.